It's a unique concept, and after successful 2 rounds of online world shooting championship, the international shooting championship that is happening, the 3rd round is also happening. The mastermind behind this championship, Shimon Sharif, is now live with all the shooters concerned. There are 66 participants as of now, and this is likely to be anywhere around 100. That is the target, and that is the idea. Now, this includes at least 5 to 6 former world champions, more than 10 to 15 current Olympians, including 4 Indian Olympians as well. We will quickly have a word with Shimon Sharif, who is now live there. Then we will not disturb him much. Yes, Shimon, what is the current scenario and how many participants are there? You had a grand 2 rounds earlier as well.
Well, this is the 3rd edition of what we've been doing, the International Online Shooting Championship. And this is the biggest ever, the 3rd event. Earlier too, we just had a capping of 50. This time we had a capping of 100. Some people didn't turn up, but we still have a very, very strong field, which also includes 4 Olympic quota winners and shooters shooting from 12 countries. So I think this is the biggest one.
This is the biggest one. We also saw Gagan Narang talking to you, the former world #1, and also Indian Olympic medalist. Yes.
Yeah, we were honored to have Gagan Narang. He's a friend from a very long time, and he came in and supported us. And he's again going to come back in the finals. He's a true legend of the sport, and he came and motivated all the young stars, and he appreciated this concept.
This concept has been appreciated. One final question: what will be, whatever the outcome of this competition, what will be your for days ahead? What is the target? How many people you want to organize here now?
So, with time, this competition is going to become bigger and bigger. A lot of requests are coming in to compete in this, since there are no offline competitions available. Shooters from around the world are watching this, and they want to be a part of this. And not only shooters, right now we have people from some national federations also who have joined us live, and they are taking keen interest in this concept.
Thank you so much for talking with us. You may continue with your live commentary. And Shimon Sharif, who has been one of the chief architect of this competition, which is unique because no other championship at the world level is being happening, and this is the 3rd round, 2 rounds of successful event where all the top level international shooters participated.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.